Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Liebarger and I'm going to talk to you today about the Fab 4 comprehension strategies. I'm going to be specifically talking about prediction, looking in the crystal ball. It's a little bit more than that. The other 3 comprehension strategies are questioning, clarifying, and summarizing. They go right along with our wonderful reciprocal teaching, which you can use in any subject. It does not have to be reading. It goes with fiction and nonfiction reading. When you're predicting, it's going a little bit further. It's going beyond guessing. It involves previewing the text to anticipate what might happen next. This strategy will assist you in setting a purpose for your reading and also monitoring your comprehension, so it's done before and during reading. So prediction goes both ways. It goes before reading and during reading. When you're reading and working with fiction text, you must very carefully preview your text. You must look at the cover, look at the pictures, and the title. Activate your schema. What do you know about this subject? What do you know about the book? And you can also go inside and preview the text structure. And when I mean text structure, you're looking to see the settings, the characters, the problem, solution. See if you can tell any of that before you actually start reading. Or as you're reading, are you gaining information that is helping you predict what would come next? One thing that you need to do when you're making the prediction, when you're learning and talking about fiction, is you always want to say, I think this will happen because. Keyword, because. Your because is based on these clues. A lot of times we get in trouble when we're predicting because we do not tie our because, our why, to the clues that the author gave us. Now, when we're working with fiction text, it's very important that we preview the text features, and we know what the text features are. Those include the headings, the pictures, the captions. And we look for clues. We also, very, very important, we need to decide the text structure. How did the author write this? Did he write it as a compare, contrast piece? Is it a sequence? Main idea? We have to know this information to help us ask ourselves what we're going to learn. And again, I think I'm going to learn this because I know these things. In your teacher's classroom, you will see some anchor charts, and they will have stems that you can use when you are predicting. The first one you're going to be able to say is I think. Remember, always base it on what you see. You could start your words with I bet, I wonder if, I imagine, I suppose, I predict, I think I will learn this because. Would that be for fiction or nonfiction? Ask yourself. Or I think this will happen because. Answering these questions and talking like this, always predicting what's happening in your reading, it's going to increase your interest while you're reading and will, I guarantee you, improve your comprehension. So we'll see you soon when we come back and talk more about the Fab 4 comprehension skills.